Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for reviewing the best work tools and gadgets. Today, we have something that's going to change the way you handle air circulation in your workspace. Introducing the Lasko 12 inches utility fan, the best work fan you can have on the job site or at home. Whether you're tackling a project in your garage, cooling off a workshop, or just trying to get some fresh air in your basement, this fan has you covered. First off, let's talk power. The Lasko U12104 boasts an impressive 289 cfm, cubic feet per minute, which means it delivers high-velocity airflow for even the toughest spaces. Whether it's scorching summer heat or a hot garage, this fan is designed to circulate air effectively. And with 3 adjustable speed settings, you can customize the airflow to your liking, whether you need a gentle breeze or a powerful gust. One of the standout features of this fan is its pivoting design. You're able to direct the airflow exactly where you need it. Thanks to the 270-degree pivoting action, you can easily adjust it from floor-level air circulation to high-powered air exhaust. It's perfect for ventilating stuffy rooms or even drying out wet carpeting and floors after a spill or cleaning. But this isn't just about power and versatility. The Lasko 12 inches utility fan is built tough. It features a rugged construction that makes it ideal for both indoor and outdoor work. It's lightweight, weighing just 7.5 pounds, and includes a large carry handle, making it incredibly easy to move around. Plus, the 10-foot power cord gives you ample reach, so you can place it anywhere without worrying about limited outlets. This fan also includes 2 120-volt grounded outlets, so you can plug in other devices like lights or tools. It's a small but extremely practical feature for those of us working in large spaces where access to outlets can be scarce. And speaking of safety, the Lasko fan is ETL listed and comes with a circuit breaker and reset button, ensuring it's safe to use even in high-demand environments. Lastly, it's designed with space saving in mind. With a compact footprint of just 12.19 in diameter and 12.25 in height. It fits easily into small spaces, whether it's tucked in a corner of a workshop or sitting by a workbench. Its functional and durable design makes it a great addition to any worksite. In conclusion, if you're looking for a fan that combines power, portability, and versatility, the Lasko 12 inches utility fan is an excellent choice. It's the best work fan to keep you cool, circulate air efficiently, and help you get through any project with ease. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're looking for more in-depth reviews like this, stay tuned to Product Critique for more product insights. Thanks for watching.